Hello, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and I guess we got a donation of some trains, and we're going to open it up. And I already had opened it, but let's see what's in here. Okay, so it's a little toy Lionel set. Start at the back. Okay, this is a Penn Central gondola car, as opposed to a hopper, which would have had higher sides and center, openings to empty the contents. This is a gondola. It's toy dimension. It's not to scale, meaning that it is, smaller than if it had been miniaturized to exact dimensions of the prototype. But it's still a wonderful toy train. Likewise with the caboose. This is toy dimension. Atlantic Coastline. Now this would run on, O scale or 27 because the gauge is still correct. But now look at that. It's got a some kind of, this is for the uncoupling. So it still has some kind of potential for, I guess, magnetic uncoupling. That's pretty cool. Now this is interesting. A box car that says KB Toy Stores. Doesn't have a year on it. Now KB is gone. KB went out under. So this is a nice little rarity. Harken back to childhood. Any adult now who was a child back in the 60s, 70s, 80s, even to the